Hey guys, we're coming back to Delta Math today, and today you will be identifying key features of quadratic functions. Here's the first example of the kind of question that you're going to do. There will be 4 question types. So the first kind is determine the coordinates of the roots of the parabola. The roots are the 2 places that cross the x-axis. The 2 places that this parabola crosses the x-axis are right here at -1, 0, and over here at 5, 0. What's important that you know today is before putting your answer, you have to choose the answer type. This answer is going to be 2 points. So you first need to choose the answer type, 2 points. Then you can type in your answer. So my answer is this point over here, -0. I'm going to type that in. And the second is this one, 5, 0, so 5, 0. Then, of course, you submit your answer, as always on Delta. It asks you if you're sure that you want to submit it. If you are sure you typed in the right thing, you say yes. And it will let you know whether you have it right or not. This mark always lets you know you got it right. Just a reminder, in this kind of question, determine the coordinates of the roots of the parabola. It could be reworded, determine the coordinates of the zeros, determine the coordinates of the x-intercepts, or determine the coordinates of the solutions for the quadratic function. The second kind of question you're going to be asked is to identify the coordinates of the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. Mine crosses the y-axis right here at 3. Coordinates for that point are 0, 3. So I need to use the correct answer type. It only crosses the y-axis in one place. So I choose the answer type, 1 point. It gives me a place to type in my ordered pair. My ordered pair is 0, 3. Then I will click submit for this answer. The third kind of question in this problem set is to determine the coordinate of vertex of the parabola. My vertex right here is 1 point. That point is 2, -1. So I need to come down and choose that I have 1 point as my answer type. And then type in my coordinates, 2, which is the x value, what it's in line with x-axis, and -1 for the y value. And that, of course, is what that point is in line with on the y-axis. After I'm sure I have it correct, I'm going to click submit. The fourth kind of question that you're going to answer today is using the graph to determine the equation of the axis symmetry. When you are writing that equation, you are looking for the line that goes down the middle of the parabola and cuts the parabola in half. That's not in the picture, so I'm going to try to draw one as straight as I can to remind you where it is. So this axis of symmetry is a vertical line. It's going through x equals 1, and that's actually the equation for my axis of symmetry. So I come down to answer type, and I'm going to choose one equation. You cannot just put in -1. You need to type in the equation. So I need to type in x equals 1. Then once I'm sure that I've chosen the right place that my parabola would be cut in half, and it would be cut in half at x equals 1, then I will click submit for that answer. Those are the 4 answer types. You need to make sure you choose the correct answer type, then put your answer each time you get a new question.